I wanted them to understand what it felt like to be in the trenches. And if you don't understand, then you're not going to respond when the war starts.
All right, what's happening, y'all? Trench fam, welcome. We back with a new little segment, and it's called, I don't know, what do we call this?
Dave's Pickups.
Here we go, Dave's Pickups. We here for Dave's Pickups. And I got a few shoes that I picked up last month, all right? And we gonna run it up and show you what's going on. All right, so first one. Do y'all know the box? Do you know what's coming out of here? Come on, man, that's a 12 box. If you know, you feel me? Y'all can probably guess what it is, cause boy, only one pair of 12s came out last month. But we got the mother loving playoff 12s, my boy. Black center, as Samurai would say. OG colorway. You know, MJ was definitely seen on the court wearing these, and boy, gotta have that white sock with the scrunch. Y'all gotta stop wearing these straight boys. The straight sock is not the go-to. Playoff 12s, man, fire. You got the white panel. You got this black center, red jump, man. You got the hints of red everywhere, man. You know, that Chicago life, man. Overall, good shoe, bro. They really did well with this material. Leather is actually pretty fire. Come on, anything. Shit, shorts, check. Sweats, check. Jeans. You got the right pair? Check. Know y'all be trying to do these skinny jeans with these motherfucking big ass shoes looking like a clown. Hey man, I'm a J head, man. At the end of the day, I love my J's, boy. God damn J's. Fuck! Next shoe. Y'all definitely don't know what this is. Y'all know what this is? Shit, I didn't even know they were still doing black and gold Jumpman boxes for the retros. I'm gonna give y'all 30 seconds to guess. Nah, fuck that, you get 5. But let me show y'all what we got next. Can you see? Maybe you can't, but that shit says Nike Golf. We got some mother loving Chicago One Low golf shoes. Yes, you heard it, it's a golf shoe. Does it look like a golf shoe? Look at that bottom, man. That is crazy, because side view, you can't even tell. This just looked like a regular low, man. You feel me? And then you start seeing it. Oh, man. Shit looks crazy. Damn! Nah, but these are actually super fire, and you already got the white lace. Y'all know, if you you're in here, you know what a Chicago colorway is. All right, you got the red. Come on, man. Color blocking elites. Damn, y'all saw them shoes? Yeah, so I don't want to hear shit. If I'm wearing them, you better respect them. Talking about, oh, those are golf Chicagos. Yeah, bitch, so what? Leather is actually insane, man. Y'all can you know what like shitty leather looks like? They really did their thing on this, man. And I didn't think I was gonna like them like that, man. Bro, the white lace is where you gotta do it. Look, you can even kind of tell. It's not even on the shoe and you already see what's going on. All right, we gonna move on. This is my last pickup for March. You know, I do get pickups, but man, I gotta pick and choose as well. Cause boy, the game is expensive, retail or resale. And here's the final shoe. Concepts Air Max 1. This was for Air Max Day. March 26th, Air Max Day. And it's Air Max Day because that was the day they first released the first Air Max commercial. But here we got the Air Max Day release of the Concept Air Max 1. Now, they had 3 pairs of these. I had the first ones. They are now in a great home with my dog Dulo. I gave it to him for the low because I'm a bro. Hook your homies up sometimes, man. If it ain't really going for much, man, don't be trying to wax your homies, man. But this was the colorway I really wanted. And look at this box, man. It's crazy. It literally has freaking bandana. And the reason why they did all this, the whole concept behind this, it's supposed to embody festivals, like music festivals of early like 70s, late 60s, like that's the type of vibe. So we got like little trippy things, but like real big hippie stage and stuff. So that's why you see all the crazy colors and crazy designs. Super dope, man. Like freaking air freshener, bro. Like it's just a little shit, man. Like stuff like this is really what's super cool about collecting shoes sometimes, is the little stuff that come with it. Even clothing too, like Supreme, like all the stickers and stuff. Like just dope. It's dope, man. You know, you all used to have stickers, all used to collect, you know, little knickknacks, the pins and shit. These are mini vinyls, by the way, if y'all can't tell. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, bro, super dope, the little things. I haven't even gotten to the shoe and you already seen the box and the stuff, bro. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. Let me pull them out. So this is the box that came with all three. Oh, let me show you the inside of this real quick. Crazy, bro. Super trippy. Like, what? This is the regular box, which is also super dope. Concepts really goes in, bro. And if you don't know, Concepts is the same people that did the lobster pack. So all the people that really fuck with blue lobs, purple lobs, green, yellow, red. This is the place that did that. And they do a lot of collabs with Kyrie too. I got a couple of the Kyrie concept pairs and they're super dope colorways. Paper too. Oh, look at that, bro. Like they didn't lack in any area of this release. From aesthetic to materials to knickknacks, accessories. Really got it all. Look at these shoes, bro. They are nuts. This is a crazy shoe. Bro, all the materials that are on here, let me pull out both so y'all can really see how like they went really in depth with this, bro. Like it's supposed to be, like I said, the festival stuff. They didn't lack, bro, like all hippie vibes and stuff. Like it's got the bandana print, the paisley print, and it's different. Every shoe is different. Actually, this one is just some Nike checks. Man, they look crazy up here, bro. What is this? Velvet or velour? That tongue is nuts, bro. Like, it got the white laces too, so you already could kind of see. Hey, man, as I'm actually reviewing them, I was just saying, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these little bits as I'm going through it. Hey, man. This part right here is supposed to be like a guitar strap. Supposed to embody what a guitar strap would have looked like back then. If y'all get a chance, you can go on Sneakers and they have the whole like explanation of why they made these. Super dope. Thank y'all for coming in, man. Thank y'all for pulling up, seeing me unbox some stuff that I picked up last month. Yeah, man, so as long as I get releases, y'all will get a vid. But don't come at me because, bro, y'all know how the Sneakers app works. So if I get some chill shit, let me ride out because I can't get the heat every time, bitch. You already know you were not selected. I be having that, bro, starting a day with an L. Crazy. But y'all have a good one. Remember to tune into our other stuff, man. We got a lot of new stuff coming in. The Trench Talk family, Trench Talk Network. I fuck with y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.
I wanted them to understand what it felt like to be in the trenches. And if you don't understand, then you're not going to respond when the war starts.